Hello everyone, this is Saurav and welcome to Odisha Post Live, and these are today's top headlines. 80.83% of the 15,136 students who appeared in the offline matric examinations this year have passed, the BSc announced Tuesday. The offline exams were meant for those students who were dissatisfied with marks allotted to them. An aircraft which had arrived at the Kabul airport to evacuate Ukrainian citizens has been hijacked and diverted to an unknown destination in Iran. The identity of the hijackers is yet to be known, according to Ukrainian officials. Malkangiri District Collector Vishal Singh said Tuesday a total of 48 mining lease tenders for minor minerals has been cancelled. It has been done on the recommendation of Revenue Divisional Commissioner, Southern Range. Odisha reported Tuesday a total of 625 new COVID-19 cases and 67 new fatalities. The rate of infection among children also decreased, with 80 testing positive for the virus. The BMC directed Tuesday authorities of religious institutions in the city to allow only people who have got their double dose of vaccination to enter temples, mosques, churches and gurudwaras. The BJD once again demanded Tuesday a caste-based census to determine the actual population of the OBCs in Odisha. If it is not done, the party will organize a massive stir, Minister Ranendra Pratap Swai stated. The regional office of the IMD ruled out Tuesday the possibility of any significant rainfall in Odisha in August. Odisha has witnessed a deficit of 55% rainfall in August, leading to drought-like situation. India brought back Tuesday 78 more people, including 25 of its nationals and Sikhs and Hindus who had earlier shifted from Kabul, from Dushanbe. With Tuesday's evacuation, the number of people brought back to Delhi reached over 800. Union Minister for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Narayan Rane was arrested Tuesday in Mumbai for his "slap Thackeray" comment. He is the first central minister to be arrested in 20 years. Most of the women soccer players of the Afghanistan national team were evacuated Tuesday from Kabul. The evacuation was carried out by Australia, who has promised the players a chance to pursue their careers. That's all for today's top headlines. Stay tuned to Odisha Post Live.